Hello friends, welcome to Art with Aruna, and today we will see the divisibility rule for number 2 to 12. Let's start.
Here I kept number 2 to 12 into 6 groups, and each group contain few numbers, and numbers are kept together in a single group on the basis of similarity in their divisibility rule. Before divisibility rules, always keep in mind even number can divide only even numbers, but odd numbers can divide even and odd numbers both. A number is divisible by 2 when the last digit of the number is even number, or when the last digit of the number is either 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. For example, here we have 6 numbers. Our first number is 1923 and the last digit of this number is odd number. And according to the divisibility rule of number 2, the last digit of the number must be either 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. So here 3 is not present in this list. So we can say that this complete number 1923 will not be divisible by 2. Our next number is 4200. Last digit of this number is 0, which is an even number, and 0 is divisible by 2. So here the whole number 4200 will also be divisible by 2. The next number is 7922, and the last digit of this number is 2, which can be divisible by 2. So the complete number 7922 will also be divisible by 2. Our next number is 594. The last digit of this number is 4, which is divisible by 2. So this complete number 594 will be divisible by 2. Next is 996. Last digit of this number is 6, which is an even number. So the complete number 996 will also be divisible by 2. The next number is 10,808 and the last digit of this number is 8, which is an even number. So here the complete number 10,808 will also be divisible by 2. A number is divisible by 4 when the last one digit of the number is even and last two digit of the given number is divisible by 4. For example, here we have three numbers. According to our rule number 1, the last digit of the number must be an even number. So here you can see that our first number is 79,565 and last digit of this number is 5, which is an odd number. So this number fails in our first condition. So here we can say that this complete number is not divisible by 4. Our second number is 8,41,322. Here last digit of this number is even number, but when we check for the last two digit of this number, that is 22, and 22 is not divisible by 4. So here we can say that this complete number is also not divisible by 4. Our third example is 54,396. Last digit of this number is an even number. So here we can go for the last two digit, which is 96, and 96 is divisible by 4. So here we can say that this complete number 54,396 is also divisible by 4. A number is divisible by 8 when last one digit of the number is even number and last three digits of the number is divisible by 8. Here we have three numbers. Our first number is 82,793 and last digit of this number is 3, which is an odd number. So here we can say that this complete number 82,793 will not be divisible by number 8. Our next number is 29,202. Last digit is an even number, but when we check for the last three digit, that is 202, this 202 is not divisible by 8. So here the complete number 29,202 will also be not divisible by 8. Our next number is 77,224. Last digit is even number, so we can check for the last three digit, that is 224, and 224 is divisible by 8. So here we can say that this complete number 77,224 will also be divisible by 8. So here you can see that to check divisibility by 2, we need to divide last one digit. To check divisibility by 4, we need to divide last two digits, and to check divisibility by 8, we need to divide last three digits. A number is divisible by 3 when sum of all its digits divisible by 3. For example, here we have two numbers. Our first number is 20,953, and when we add the individual digits of this number here like this, we get 2 plus 0 2, 2 plus 9, 11, 11 plus 5, 16, and 16 plus 3, 19. And we know that 19 is not divisible by 3. So we can say that this number 20,953 will also be not divisible by 3. Our second number is 3,77,499, and when we add the individual digits of this number here like this, we get 3 plus 7, 10, 10 plus 7, 17, 17 plus 4, 21, 21 plus 9, 30, and 30 plus 9, 39. So here we got 39, and we know that 39 is divisible by 3. So we can say that this number 3,77,499 will also be divisible by 3.
A number is divisible by 9 when sum of all its digits is divisible by 9.
For example, here we have two numbers. Our first number is 81,563, and when we add individual digits of this number like this, when we add 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 5, 14, 14 plus 6, 20, and 20 plus 3, 23. And we know that this 23 is not divisible by 9. So here we can say that 81,563 will also be not divisible by 9. Our second example is 38,55,564. Here, when we add all the individual digits of this number like this, we get 8 plus 3, 11, 11 plus 5, 16, 16 plus 5, 21, 21 plus 5, 26, 26 plus 6, 32, 32 plus 4, 36. And we know that 36 is divisible by 9. So here we can say that this number 38,55,564 will also be divisible by 9.
A number is divisible by 5 when the last digit of the number is either 0 or 5.
For example, here we have three numbers. Our first number is 129. Here you can see that the last digit of this number is 9. So we can say that this number is not divisible by 5. Our next number is 37,560. As the last digit of this number is 0. So this number is definitely divisible by 5. Here our third number is 29,575, and the last digit of this number is 5. So we can say that this number 29,575 will also be divisible by 5.
A number is divisible by 10 when the last digit of the number is 0.
For example, here we have three numbers. Our first number is 925 and last digit of this number is 5. But according to the rule, we must have last digit 0. So we can say that 925 is not divisible by 10. Our second number is 340 and the last digit of this number is 0. So we can say that 340 is divisible by 10. Our third number is 79,400 and last digit of this number is 0. So we can say that this number 79,400 is also divisible by 10.
A number is divisible by 6 when number is divisible by 2 and 3 both.
For example, here we have three numbers. Our first number is 7,227. To check this number is divisible by 6, we need to check whether this number is divisible by 2 and 3 both or not. So here you can see that last digit of this number is 7. So 7 is not divisible by 2. So we can say that this number is not divisible by 2. So we can say that this complete number 7,227 is also not divisible by 6. Here no need to check for the number 3. We can ignore this. Our next number is 832. As you can see that the last digit of this number is 2, which is an even number. So we can say that this number is divisible by 2. Now we need to move for the divisibility test of 3. So here we need to add the individual digits of this number. So when we add 8 plus 3, it is 11. 11 plus 2, it is 13. And we know that 13 is not divisible by 3. So here you can see that for this number 832, it is divisible by 2, but it is not divisible by 3. So here we can say that, so this number 832 is not divisible by 6. Our next example is 76,58,130. So here last digit of this number is 0, which is an even number. So here this number is divisible by 2. Now we need to go for the divisibility test of 3. So here we need to add the individual digits of this number like this. So here when we add all the digits, 7 plus 6 13, 13 plus 5 18, 18 plus 8 it is 26, 26 plus 1 27, 27 plus 3 30, 30 plus 0 it is 30, and we know that 30 is divisible by 3. So here you can see that this number 76,58,130 is divisible by 2 and 3 both. So we can say that this number is also divisible by number 6. A number is divisible by 12 when it is divisible by 3 and 4 both. For example, here we have 4 numbers. Our first number is 5129. Here you can see that the last digit of this number is 9, which is an odd number, and we know that 12 is an even number and it can divide only even numbers. So it is very clear that 5129 is not divisible by 12. Our next number is 512. Last digit of this number is 2, which is an even number. Now we need to check 512 divisibility by 3 and 4 both. So here, to check the divisibility by 3, we need to add the individual digits of this number like this. So 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 2 8, and here we know that 8 is not divisible by 3. When we check 512 divisibility by 4, here you can see that last two digit of this number is 12, and 12 is divisible by 4. Here you can see that 512 is divisible by 4, but it is not divisible by 3. So we can say that 512 is not completely divisible by number 12. Our next number is 702. Here last digit is even number, so we need to check this number for divisibility by 3 and 4. So when we check for the divisibility by 3, we need to add the individual digits of this number. So here 7 plus 0 7, 7 plus 2 9, and we know that 9 is divisible by 3. Last two digit of this number is 2, and 2 is not divisible by 4. So here you can see that this number 702 is divisible by 3, but this is not divisible by 4. So here we can say that 702 is not divisible by this number 12. Our last number is 5,74,272. Last digit is even, so we need to check this number for the divisibility by 3 and 4. To check the divisibility by 3, we need to add the individual digits of this number like this. So here 5 plus 7 12, 12 plus 4 16, 16 plus 2 18, 18 plus 7 25, and 25 plus 2 27, and we know that 27 is divided by 3. For divisibility test for number 4, we need to check the last two digit of the number, that is 72, and we know that 72 is divisible by 4. So here you can see that this number 5,74,272 is divisible by 3 and 4 both. So we can say that this number is also divisible by 12. A number is divisible by 7 when we multiply the last digit of the number by 5 and then add to the rest of the digits. We repeat this process till we get 2-digit number. And if this 2-digit number is divisible by 7, then the complete number is also divisible by 7. For example, here we have two numbers. Our first number is 9,825, and according to the rule, we need to multiply the last digit of this number by 5. So here 5 cross 5 25, and then we need to add this 25 to the rest of the digits. So here 2 plus 5 7, 8 plus 2 10, 1 is here, 9 plus 1 10. So here 1007. Again we need to multiply the last digit of this number, that is 7, by 5. So 7 cross 5 it is 35. Again we need to add this number 35 here to the rest of the digit. Here it is 135. Again we need to multiply the last digit of this number. So here 5 cross 5 25. We need to add this 25 here. So here 3 plus 5 8, and 1 plus 2 it is 3. So last two digit number is 38, and we know that 38 is not divisible by 7. So we can say that this number 9825 will also be not divisible by 7. Now our next example is 10,70,048. Again, according to the rule, we need to multiply the last digit of this number by 5. So last digit of this number is 8. We need to multiply by 5. So here 8 cross 5, it is 40. We need to add this 40 to the rest of the digit here. 4 plus 0, 4, 0 plus 4, 4, 0, 7, 0, 1. Last digit of this number is 4. We need to multiply this 4 by 5. So 5 cross 4 is 20. We need to add this 20 here. 4 plus 0, 4, 0 plus 2, 2, 7, 0, 1. Last digit is again 4. We need to multiply this 4 by 5. So here 4 cross 5, it is 20. We need to add this 20 here. Now 2 plus 0, 2, 7 plus 2, 9, 0, 1. Last digit is 2. Again we need to multiply this by 5. So 2 cross 5 is 10. Here we need to add this 10. 9 plus 0, 9. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 is here. We need to multiply this 9 by 5. 9 cross 5, it is 45. We need to add this 45 here. 5 plus 1, 6. 1 plus 4, 5. We got number 56. So here we know that 56 is divisible by 7. So we can say that our bigger number 10,70,048 will also be divisible by 7. A number is divisible by 11 when the difference of the sum of the number in even position and the sum of the number in the odd position is either 0 or divisible by 11. Then the given number is also divisible by 11. For example, here we have two numbers. Our first number is 58,62,173. To check the divisibility of this number by 11, first of all we need to add all the digits present at odd places. So here in our case it is 5, then plus 6, plus 1, plus 3. We need to subtract this by the sum of digits present at even places. In our case it is 8, then 2, then 7. So here I am adding 8 plus 2 plus 7. So here 5 plus 6, 11, 11 plus 1, 12, 12 plus 3, 15. Here 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 7, 17. So here 15 minus 17, it is minus 2. Just ignore this minus sign. But we know that 2 is not divisible by 11. So here we can say that this number 58,62,173 will also be not divisible by 11. Our second example is 61,96,025. Again we need to add all the digits present at odd positions. So here in our case we need to add 6 with 9, then 0, then 5. We need to subtract this sum by the sum of the digits present at even places. In our case it is 1, then 6, then 2. So here 1 plus 6 plus 2. So here you can see that 6 plus 9, 15, 15 plus 0, 15, 15 plus 5, it is 20, minus 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 2, it is 9. So 20 minus 9, it is 11, and we can say that 11 is divisible by 11. So here we can say that 61,96,025 will also be divisible by 11. Thanks for watching, friends. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment on this video. Thank you.